Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back with another video. This time we out here in Las Vegas at the Tahiti Village Resort. This is a 1-bedroom Moorea suite. Go ahead and scan. I'm gonna pan around so you guys can see the living room. Check it out. It's not a bad spot. Check out the kitchen. You already know I'm about to open up the refrigerator for you, and possibly some of these cabinets so you can see for yourself. Get an idea of for yourself in case you want to stay here. This is the room they offered us during a timeshare presentation to Tahiti Village, so it's pretty decent. That room, that door, don't open it, it leads to the next room. Just in the hallway, you can enter the bathroom. So you can enter the bathroom from that small hallway from the living room, or you can, and in just a second I'll show you, you can enter from the bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The bathroom is pretty decent. You know, I'm used to hot tubs and stuff, but this room is pretty decent. I can say that the room is very clean. It's pretty clean. We do have a lot of amenities on site, so you can do a lot of different activities, and they have a nice pool. The bedroom was pretty nice. Bed itself, it was decent. It was a little firm. It wasn't as soft as I like it, but I'm not complaining about it really. It was nice and clean. Good place to lay your head. Nice closet there. They got nice paintings on the wall, giving the room some aesthetics. You can look out back right there. They had some construction going on and it was late, so you're not really going to be able to see out of there. But overall, I get this room, it was pretty decent for what they gave you. I didn't pay for it. It was part of the promo for the timeshare. But if you guys like it, if you're trying to do the Tahiti Village timeshare, this is what you can expect. A room looking like this. Like I said, I try to keep these videos short. I don't want to take too much of your time. Just want to give you a nice, good view just of what you could be staying in if you chose to come out here. If you want to see more of these videos, be sure to make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Also subscribe. The more you interact with these videos, the more I can show you guys going forward. But checking out. See y'all on the next one.